In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner if you can't see any of those options. Then tap on those three dots at the top right one. Now you can click on voice typing right away. And if it doesn't work, click on settings. Then tap on rich input over here. And click on gray switcher next to voice typing to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard and click on this microphone over here, or if you wish to, tap on reorder items at the bottom, drag it to add it to your toolbar, then let go and hit done. To go back to your standard keyboard, click on this X at the top right corner. Finally, to use voice typing, click on microphone. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, click on this big button with a microphone. If you want to start again, tap on it one more time. If you want to go back to your standard keyboard, select this icon of an arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!